What advice would I give to my younger self other than, hey, buzz your hair? I would tell myself, listen, Craig, if you want to get to the next level, what got you here, my friend, will not get you there. So if you're in business, the skill set that got you to this level of making, 75K, 100K, 250K is not going to get you to that $1 million level. It's definitely not going to get you to the $10 million level. So what got you here will not get you there. Same with your fitness. If you can run a 10K in 50 minutes, well, the same training program is not going to get you to 40 minutes for a 10K. So what got you here, Craig, will not get you there. And I got that from a guy named Marshall Goldsmith, whose book is called What Got You Here Won't Get You There. So go check that out. The second thing I will say is similar to that, and I first heard it from a guy who people have said I kind of look like, Jeremy Piven. Obviously not like this. I don't know. Who do I look like? Freddie Mercury? Drop a comment down below. Now, then the next line that I heard from Jeremy Piven on Twitter, of all places, was, if you want something you've never had, you must do something you've never done. I wanted this life, so I had to move to Vancouver from Toronto. I'd never done that before. I'd never moved out of, well, actually I lived in Denver for a bit, but I never really moved out of Toronto. But I had to come here and get something that I wanted. So I had to do something I'd never done. That's point 2. Now, the third one ties it all up. Success loves speed and delay kills dreams. So those 3 things I would have said, if I would have said to my younger self, hey, listen, Craig, success loves speed, delay kills dreams. You want to be a millionaire and yet you won't hire a coach or a mentor? I hired a coach or a mentor at 2006. But the thing is, I could have afforded it at 2003. I think of all the people that I could have helped if I had just gotten coaching earlier, how much more money I would have so I can make a bigger impact, how much better my life would be if I had hired a mentor sooner. So hire a mentor, move faster, delay will kill your dreams, because if you want to get here, what got you here won't get you there. And if you want something you never had, you got to do something you've never done. And that's hire a mentor. Drop me a comment down below and let me know how you're going to go and grow and who the heck do I look like.